Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start with power and app access. Verify the thermostat has a C-wire or the Nest power connector so it gets steady 24 VAC. That prevents frequent disconnects. Once power is off at the breaker, remove the old stat and label each wire so you know where it goes. Then turn the breaker back on and open the Google Home app. Tap the plus sign, select Setup Device, and choose New Device so pairing can begin immediately. Now wire the Nest base. Insert each labeled wire into its matching connector. Y for cooling, W for heat, G for fan, R for 24V power, and C for common. Once wires are secured, snap the thermostat onto its base, restore power, and follow the app prompts to scan the device QR code or enter the setup code shown on the display. Make sure you select the correct Wi-Fi network. Nest works best on a 2.4 GHz network, so have that password handy. Finish by running system tests from the Google Home app. Trigger heating, cooling, and fan cycles to confirm each stage responds. This validates wiring and equipment. Once done, create a simple schedule and enable home/away routines so your thermostat saves energy automatically. If something fails, first reboot your router and power cycle the Nest, then recheck the C-wire connection and tightness. If the Nest still won't,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.